Hello everybody, it's Larry, and this video is on how to link somebody to your tree on FTDNA's website. Now, you have to have a family tree. So here in this section, you have to have a family tree entered. So you would click on family tree. If you don't have one entered, you'll need to come over to Ancestry, click on trees, create and manage trees, pick the tree that you want. Like here's my main tree. So we can do manage tree over on the right. And then we want to export your tree as a GEDCOM file. So we're going to create export tree. It's going to create a GEDCOM file, and I'll be able to download this when it's completed. I should have picked a much smaller file for this, but here it goes. It's preparing it 30, 40, 50%, 90% completed. Now it's ready. So I can download my GEDCOM file. I download it and I'm going to save it to my desktop. I can come over here, do family tree. Okay. Now I've already got one here, but for those of you who don't, you can click on upload GEDCOM. Uploading will overwrite. Do you want to proceed? So I'm going to click upload, and then at this point I would pick my file and I'd upload it. Well, I'm not going to upload it, but that's the steps you would do in order to get your family tree info from Ancestry and get the tree up here without having to manually recreate it. Now, once you have the people in your tree, if there's a name in your tree that matches a kit, it's going to come up over here on the right, and it's going to have suggested links. We've found possible matches, and it says Linda Margaret Wright, and that's because I unlinked my mother for the purpose of this video. So I click on Linda Wright, and then it gives up three possibles: Linda Jonas, Linda K. Brown, Linda Wright. Now, when I link, it says, when I click link, email that person about being added to my tree, about linking to them. And that way, if there's a cousin or something, you can let them know, hey, I've added you. I figured it out. I'd like to correspond with you, and it'll email on your behalf. In this case, I'm just going to uncheck it because, you know, it's just emailing my mom. And if I did that every time for this video, she would have gotten lots of emails. So if I click link, it'll pop up, you know, it'll update her information. Okay, now she's linked, and you see this, you know, family finder information, you know, you get this stuff like you do before, but now she's linked. So if I want to unlink her, you click view profile and say I accidentally clicked the wrong person. I can click unlink this person. If I click unlink, it says, are you sure you want to unlink? So yes. So we've unlinked her. Well, we're going to link her back. So I forgot to uncheck the email, so there'll be an email on this. All right, so now we've linked her back. Now, what does this do? How does this help? Well, over in the matches, you know, we're going to get, you know, the matches that match her. So now that I've linked her on the maternal side, it's got 679 people that it's identified. And if I click right here, it tells me all the people who match me and match her. And on Ancestry, that we would have to go in, click on, let's say my mother's name in this case, click shared matches, and then click on every one of those people and assign them a dot. Well, on FTDNA, it does this for you. Now, it picks your color, red, and it assigns it to those people that it knows for sure are on the maternal side. Now, I'm going to go back to the all. I've got a second cousin once removed that I also linked on that side, and it added some more of these 679. I think for my mother, it gave me like 550 or something like that, and I got 179 more when I added the second cousin, and it started triangulating more people. This person is a first cousin once removed, and it's on my father's side, and that's the only person that I know on my father's side. But when I link to that person, as soon as I link to that person, I got 31 more people that it identified. And I'll be honest, I don't know any of these people. It identified them as being on my father's side. Don't know how, don't know where. Now, the interesting thing is, I've found that, you know, this Lebrun, that's a name, the French name, I didn't even know about before. Okay, so this is further proof of some of the information that I found, and you know, that's really good. So when you link, it's going to help you divide out paternal and maternal by simply linking. And again, to link somebody, you just go to your main page, go to your family tree, you know, and you can say, don't show these tips anymore. I like seeing the tips, I guess. And then we'll unlink just to go through it one more time. So the person will show up, and anybody that has suggested links from your tree that you've imported, say from Ancestry, you'll see all of them here, and you can work on each one. Say, okay, Linda Margaret Wright, go to her in my tree, It's Linda Wright. Click link and link her up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click the bell notification. And as always, you guys have a great day.